In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design recipe cards in Canva. If you want to organize your favorite dishes, preserve family recipes, or create polished cards to print and share, Canva makes the process much easier. The key is setting up the card correctly from the beginning so your layout looks clean, readable, and print ready instead of crowded or blurry. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to create the workspace. Turn on helpful layout guides, choose a strong template, format your text clearly, and export the final file for printing. To begin, open Canva from the homepage and go to the top right corner where you'll click Create a Design. From the menu that appears, choose Custom Size. This part matters because recipe cards are usually printed, so you want to work with real physical dimensions, not generic screen sizes. Change the unit setting from pixels to inches, then enter your card's size. A common option is 6 inches wide by 4 inches high for a standard horizontal recipe card. After that, click Create New Design to open your blank project. Once the new canvas appears, the next thing you should do is turn on your guides. This helps protect your text and graphics from getting too close to the edge, which is especially important when printing and trimming. Go to the File menu at the top, open View Settings, then enable Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. You'll now see a visible boundary on the canvas that acts as your safe area. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in keeping everything aligned and easy to read. Now move to the left sidebar and open the Design or Templates section. In the search bar, type a style that matches the look you want for your recipe card. You might go for something elegant and minimal, vintage kitchen inspired, or modern and botanical. Browse through the available designs and choose one that gives you a strong foundation. When you click it, Canva will place the template directly onto your canvas, ready for editing. Next, update the text so the card has a clear visual hierarchy. Click into the main title area and replace the placeholder with your dish name. Keep the title short and strong so it stands out. Then use the top formatting toolbar to choose fonts that are attractive but still easy to read. A bold heading font works well for the recipe title, while a clean body font is better for ingredients and instructions. The goal is to make the card easy to scan, especially if you're using separate sections or columns. Before exporting, do a final check. Make sure all text stays inside the safe margins. Confirm there are no leftover placeholder elements and review the spacing one last time. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner. Then choose Download. Set the file type to PDF print for the best print quality and turn on crop marks and bleed if needed. Then click Download to save your finished recipe card. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video.